the real Santa Claus.
Hey, what are you doing, kids?
We are wrapping presents for Mimi.
Oh, I have a special thing for you.
Oh.
Yay.
Luca in a Santa Claus suit brings gifts to his poor friend Mimi.
Oh, wow! Present!
Oh, what is sucking Luca up?
Dear Santa, can I have a present, please?
Do you think Luca is the real Santa Claus?
Of course. Thank you.
Not wanting to disappoint the little aliens, Luca has to give them some presents, then continue on his way to Mimi's house.
Wow! Mr. Santa! Wow! Thank you!
Santa Luca had a hard time getting to Mimi's house, but there weren't any presents left.
Hey! Ho ho ho! Hey, you are a good kid. You deserve it.
Thank you, Santa. Thank you. Luca.
Always love and care for people around you, kids.
The Christmas thief.
Luca, Elsa, let's go to sleep. It's late. I don't want to go to sleep, Mommy. Oh, eh? Go to sleep early. Then you will receive Santa gift. What? Yes, Mom.
Bad Wolf sneaks at Luca and Elsa's house. Santa appears outside the house and gives Luca and Elsa some beautiful gifts. Oh no! Bad Wolf has taken Santa's reindeer.
Amy!
I hear something. Let's see. What happened, Santa Claus?
Someone stole my truck.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Luca and Elsa chase after Bad Wolf and try to stop him.
Give it back. Wait here.
Stop it! Never takes other people's things. Thanks for your help.
And Merry Christmas, my friends. Luca and Elsa in Christmas night. Dad wakes up and is going to prepare the decoration.
Can I play with it?
No, you can't. Don't be naughty.
Luca and Elsa playfully play around with decorative items.
Go outside and cleaning the snow.
Luca and Elsa play snowball in the jar, but accidentally hit Mimi, who was pulling the decoration passing by.
Hello. Do you want to send some Christmas gift to other kids with me? Yes,
Luca and Elsa go over to the house with Santa Claus to deliver Christmas presents.
It's for a special friend.
It's for you. We are sorry, Mimi. Thanks for the gift.
Luca and Elsa decorate Mimi house together. Help and love everyone around you, my friends.
The Gingerbread Man. Cozy and sweet Christmas atmosphere is all around in Ginger Elsa and Reindeer Luca's house. The hungry wolf is attracted by the smell of cakes, so he conspires to come to Ginger's house.
I'm hungry.
I will give you some food.
That's the wolf again.
What should we do now?
Got you.
Luca and Elsa opens the door to lead the wolf into a trap.
I'm sorry. Thank you.
What a lovely Christmas story! Merry Christmas, our little friends. The real Santa Claus.
Where are the gifts?
Santa didn't come. Let's go to ask Santa. How?
So easy.
Let's go.
Hello, Santa.
Hi, kids. Oh. My reindeer is injured. I can't give gifts to children.
Are you okay?
We'll help you bring gifts to everyone.
Thank you, my dears.
Luca in a Santa Claus suit brings gifts to his poor friend Mimi.
Ho, ho, ho!
This way.
Oh, what is sucking Luca up?
Thank you.
Do you think Luca is the real Santa Claus?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
always love and care for people around you, kids.
Thank you, my dears. I have a surprise gift for you.
The lost Christmas present.
I can't wait to see my present from Santa Claus. Yes, I wish I have a racing car. I wish I have beautiful red. Good night.
Luca and Elsa feel excited and run to receive the gift from Santa.
Can I open the gift, Mom?
Hey.
Yes, you can.
Hey.
Wow, a racing car.
Everyone receives their dream Christmas gift.
Wow.
That's mine. Let's open it. It's so toy for us.
But where is Elsa's present?
I don't have any gift from Santa.
Don't be sad, Elsa.
I didn't have a gift because I'm naughty.
No, Elsa, you are a good girl.
Maybe it's not somewhere. We will find it.
Oh.
Elsa, want to play with me?
Elsa! I found your gift. Hey.
It's not mine. Elsa, I found your gift.
Mom, Dad, and Luca try to make Elsa happy, but they can't. Santa Claus is flying in the sky. Suddenly, he finds out that there was the gift left behind.
Sorry, I missed your gift.
Thank you, Mr. Santa.
Always take care. I love your family members, my friends. Year-end party. Luca and Elsa prepare for the year-end party.
I can't wear like Spider-Man.
But it seems they don't know what to wear.
These red are too normal. I can't wear to the year-end party.
Elsa comes to Mom and Dad's room and tries Mom's dress and puts on some makeup.
Hey.
Luca tries to make a white beer with shaving foam.
I'm too pretty. Hey, Elsa.
Luca and Elsa are in Mom and Dad outfit and laugh.
What are you doing?
Oh.
I want to dress up to go to a year-end party. Don't worry, we will help you.
Hey.
Mom and Dad help Luca and Elsa get ready for the yen party.
Okay.
Our little friends wear colorful outfits and join yen party together.